Welcome back, students. Welcome back to another video of our Internet on Things on Cloud. I'm Ashwin Narakmalli. Today I'm here to teach you a few new things about the cloud computing. As of now, we have completed various deployment models out there in the cloud computing. Basically, the deployment models out there in the cloud computing are private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud. And the one more cloud is the community cloud. We discussed all these clouds in the class as well as in the video lectures. Today, we are going to discuss about what are the different services that are provided by the cloud computing. We have basically different services, infrastructure, platform, various software, all these things. Okay, let's don't waste the time. We'll dive into our video. Start sharing my screen in a moment. It's shared. We are here on the session. A small intro about the topic. The subject that we are discussing today is IoT on cloud, Internet of Things on cloud. And the unit that we are discussing is fundamentals of IoT and cloud computing. The topic that we are discussing is service models. What are the different service models out there in the IoT cloud computing? This and all we discussed. We didn't discuss about the examples. This one we didn't discuss. We'll see today the top companies using the public cloud. AWS uses the public cloud, as well as Microsoft Azure, everybody aware about it, and Google, GCP, Google Cloud Platform, and IBM Cloud. These four are the major companies that use the public cloud. And coming to the private cloud, VMware, Dell, Oracle, Cisco. These top MNCs uses the private cloud. As well as coming to the hybrid cloud, Amazon, HP, Google, Microsoft. These are the various companies that uses hybrid cloud. As I said, one more cloud is there, that is a community cloud. Let's say we have a 4 or 5 different startup organizations. All those organizations together and form a cloud infrastructure that can be accessible by those 4 organizations. Then that cloud, we call it as a community cloud. Let's say a person, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say 4 persons are there, A, B, C, D. They started own startup. They want to create one cloud infrastructure common for those 4 organizations only. This cloud can be accessible for only 4 companies. Those 4 companies are make as a community, and only those company employees can access this particular cloud that is called community cloud. Coming to the next one, the community cloud is used by the Salesforce, Cisco, Cloud4C, HP Enterprises, IBM, and Microsoft. Now we'll start discussing about the services. Consider baking lasagna you can. Let's say you want to eat lasagna. How many types we can do it? One, you can bake it at home, go to a restaurant to eat, walk into an event and a bake, get it delivery by your doorstep. Like you go to your kitchen. First step, you can go to your kitchen and you can do all these things by yourself. One. Second thing, you can go to the restaurant and eat there. Second. Third thing, you can go to any event, cooking events, and cook there. The ingredients will be given to you, and you can cook there and you can have there. Or the fourth one, get it delivered to your doorstep. Directly, they will bring lasagna. You just order in a Zomato. The Zomato delivery guy will deliver the lasagna into your doorstep. These are the 4 different ways we can have to have lasagna. But how is this related to the computing service models? Let's take a look. Lasagna as a service. Okay. Okay, we'll go with the traditional method, made in a home. We have to maintain our kitchen. We have to electricity bill will be there, micro oven will be there, lasagna sheets. We have to buy it from the outside and we have to bring it toppings, olives, onions, cheese. All this we have to bring meat for the lasagna, and then you have to cook some process. Cooking is that. Next, coming to the next, kitchen as a service. This is what infrastructure as a service. This infrastructure as a service, as I mentioned, going to the events. Kitchen, electricity, micro oven will be there. We have to take the lasagna sheets, topping meat, and cook. We have to cook the lasagna. And next one, walk-in and pick. Here, all the lasagna till the lasagna sheets. The kitchen, electricity, micro oven, and lasagna sheets will be there. The remaining things we have to take and we have to cook lasagna over there. The final step, lasagna as a service, like ordering the lasagna from Zomato or the Swiggy delivery apps, Uber Eats, Eat Club, from these kind of apps. The yellow part of the things are managed by the vendor, and the blue part is managed by the user. The software as a service or lasagna as a service, everything is managed by the vendor. Only thing is we have to consume that lasagna. That is the easiest thing, software as a service. Platform, only few things that are provided by the vendor. Remaining things we have to do it by ourselves. Infrastructure, till the infrastructure like a kitchen, that electricity, micro oven, fridge, these will be provided by the vendor. Remaining things, sheets, toppings, meat, we have to bring and we have to cook by ourselves. That is what kitchen as a service or infrastructure as a service. And coming to the traditional method, we have to maintain everything. Kitchen, we have to maintain electrical appliances, we have to maintain, we have to bear that electricity, as well as we have to bring the groceries, toppings, meat, everything, and then we have to start cooking for the each and everything. That is what the traditional method or the in-house method. We have to maintain all the servers inside our house. Let's see how it is going to match with the cloud computing services. There are four different services: on-premises, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Whatever the orange thing that you are able to see here, those are managed by the vendor. And remaining things, blue color things, are managed by the end user or the company. In the on-premises, everything has to take care by the company only. The networking, the company has to take care. Storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, or that middleware, runtime, data, and the finally application. Everything has to take care about the company itself. And coming to the infrastructure as a service. On premises, everything is managed by the company itself, own company. They have to manage. Infrastructure as a service, the vendor will provide you networking and the storage capacity, the different servers that are used for the or company. Later, virtualization of that server. How much amount of that server you consumed, virtualization. Over that, the company has to take care about the operating system, which operating they have to install operating system on that. Virtualization over the OS, they have to manage the middleware, runtime, data, and finally they have to install application on that data. See, half of the work is done by the vendor itself, cloud provider. The next, platform as a service. In this platform as a service, the vendor will provide you few more extra things like in infrastructure as a service, the till virtualization only the vendor will provide. Coming to the platform as a service, here on the top of virtualization, operating system, middleware, and the runtime is also provided by the service provider or a vendor. The only thing that a company has to take care about is data and the applications that is running on that particular software. These are the two things that are taken by care by the company during if we are using as a platform as a service. Coming to the third one, very important one, very easiest thing, software as a service. Every aspect in here is managed by the vendor. The final thing has to done by the company is to access the particular applications. That's it. This is a software as a service. The easiest thing is software as a service. We can use it very easily. That's it. We came to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this session. You understand this topic very well. Let's meet in another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. One important thing, if you have any doubts, make sure you are commenting in this video, as well as if you like it, just give a thumbs up in this video, as well as do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Meet you soon. Bye.